Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we are going to show you how to cut up a chicken. So let's start cutting. First we have to relax the muscle, so just move the thighs a little bit, loosen them up, and of course the wings too. Alright, this chicken is about 1 kilogram. It's a chiclet, small chicken, spring chicken, they call it in Singapore. But it's the same on how you actually cut a chicken regardless of the weight itself. So what you're going to do is, you're going to start with the wings first, right? Feel the joint over here. Just slice through, like this. That's one wing. Do the other wing. Same thing, just slice down. You can feel the joint over here. Just cut it through. Crack it up a little bit. And you can actually just slice through like this. That's two wings. Next we'll work with the thigh. See this piece of loose skin over here? Just slice it down like this. Crack it up and just cut through. There's another piece. Now we'll work with here. Same thing. The loose skin here. Right? This piece we'll start cutting from here down. Crack it up. Cut through. Easy. Next we'll work on the breast. You can feel a bone over here, so we just slice through. Now I don't want any bone with my breast, so I'm just going to fillet this up. Okay, you can see the meat is all out. Just cut it through like this. Now there's some loose skin over here. I'm just going to cut this off. And same for the other side also. Just put my knife just before the bones over here. Just slice it down. So just slice by the side. Like this. Be careful with your hand. And just cut this off. That's one nice piece of chicken breast. We work on this one too. Same thing. Just press it down a little and just slice up. You can feel the bone actually with the tip of your knife, and that's what we want. And just slice all the way through. Okay. Now the bones, normally I don't throw them away. I'll just trim off the excess fats and I'll use them to make my chicken stock. Let's just put this aside. For the two pieces of chicken thigh, very simple. It's like a V shape, so we cut in the middle, like this. Just slice it, be careful. Crack it up a little. Right, you can see actually there's a detachment of bones over here, so you just cut through. Right, you do it with the other piece, the same thing. On the center, just do a slice down until you can feel the bone. Crack it up a little, you can see the bone over here. Just cut it down. Simple, no chopping needed. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So 8 pieces of chicken, all derived from a single chicken. So this is how I cut up my chicken. So the next thing you want to do is, depending on what dish you're cooking, you cut them according to the size that you want. I hope this video will be useful for you. If there's any request that you want, please do let us know. I'll see you again soon.